All right. Cut this cross member off my trailer, but I'm gonna make the new back piece out of a piece of galv pipe. Okay, that roller mount's welded on there. No galv grinding, no prep. Maybe don't look at these welds. Maybe look at these instead. Oh yeah. The boat unloads a lot better with the round bar at the back because it just slides along the grass, unlike last time. The reason why it's hard to pull out is because this is digging into the bottom of the ground, acting like a big brake. Just as it comes off also, the boat tries to hit here. I just had a tropping board tied to here. Need a bit of plastic pipe on there, but I need to raise the whole thing up because it sort of sits, when it's on the ute, it sits back down, especially with the boat on there. So let's do that. Made these little blocks up at work. So hopefully they will fit in here. Alright, the little 3.3 Mercury's mounted on there. Looks like the water will go about there, which is pretty much perfect, I hope. Couldn't go too much lower because it'll be a bit hard to operate, but that should be alright. So I had to put a cap on here because the grease could just all fall out. We're out at my parents' house now and we're going to head out for the first test. Super excited. Alright, just left the boat ramp. My brother Stephen's with me here. Little 3 horses pushing us along slow. See how it goes. Alright, we're just getting out of the channel. Just going to rearrange some stuff. Might put the chili bin on the back. we got pilchards and squid, some bread, and bacon.
Bacon sandwiches.
Here we go, full noise. 3.3 horsepower, flat out. I think this motor must have a low gear prop on it, eh? Will this outrun the current?
Maybe.
So we were going to bring Stephen's bigger motor. He's got a 9 point something horsepower, which would go much faster, but this one's doing alright. Stephen's going to start trawling as we're going. Maybe we'll get lucky. Alright, well apparently we're going 10 Ks with this motor. 11, 12. Yeah, it seems way too fast, eh? 13, 12. Yeah, we must be going with the current. Alright, we've come from way over there where those boats are, just cruising along, and we're just going to anchor up here. When Stephen goes to the front of the boat, the motor's almost out of the water. Oh, gimbal's stuck. No. Alright, we've got a fish on. Oh, this rod is tiny.
Yeah, you pull up then reel.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no, just slowly, yeah. Oh no, maybe it doesn't go away.
Oh, that's a snapper, I can see it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
That's a belly.
Is it? It's quite decent. It's not too bad. All right. First fish on. Oh, that's a keeper, eh? All right, I'm in the cabin here, just cooking up some bacon. I'm gonna have some sammies. Didn't bring much food. Stephen's got an old can of mackerel. He's going to set a bit of a burley. The tide's going to change soon, so fishing will be on, I think. We've already got the one trevally though, which is pretty good. Oh, have I?
I think so.
Maybe. Nah. I have to wind. I got another fishy underneath the boat though. It doesn't feel like it's very big. My daughter's fishing rod. Oh, it's a tiny, tiny snapper. 28 centimeters.
29, was it?
This one's like 10. Multitasking here, got the bacon on the cook again, and now we've got another little fish. No, it's the same little snapper. Squid bait here. We've got some pilchards to try as well, but probably just stick with this. It seems to be working. Man, I'd be keen to stay the night, eh, but we're not equipped. A little snapper. Might be a legal one, eh? Oh,
it's close.
yeah, it's close.
Foul hooked, no wonder.
Foul hooked little snapper here. This might be just about legal. Alright, we're not having that much luck with the fishies actually. We've been out here for quite a while, a few hours. Found a rod holder though, built into the boat. That's great. Stephen's going to try and put a soft bait on. Give that a bit of a try.
This one's here like dynamite for carway.
Oh yeah. So it's got a little small sinker on that hook also, does it?
Swim.
Oh yeah. We're going to change spots now. The current's really hard here. I think I lost it. Oh no. Whatever it is, it's not very big. Oh, it's another snapper, it's a tiny one. It was on the squid, he wanted the squid. Oh, I hope not. Much calmer here. The sun's out. Just need the fish. Would be a good place to stay the night. So we're just cruising back in, and Stephen's trawling for kahawai, and he hooked one before, a decent size, but it got free. I'm going to try again. We're back at dry land now at my mum and dad's house, and we've just taken the carburetor to bits because when he read the motor up, it conked out. Had salt crystals all blocked up in the float bowl and that. Stephen's taken the carburetor, all from this incident here. No! Way outboard! Oh! Oh. Cool. That's what I wanted, my outboard to fall underwater. Rev it up. There's the fish, cooked up. Trevally and the snapper. Alright, the boat did really good on the test, even got a couple of fish. Leaks a little tiny bit. I probably need a bilge pump, and probably needs a bit of a paint, doesn't it? Looks a bit ugly. Maybe I should put a name on it. It's come with this mast here with all the rigging for it too, except I don't have the sail, but I've got a catamaran sail that'll probably fit it. My plan is to use an electric motor that is solar powered that I can use to just taxi around and stuff. This is what I'd planned to set up. I've got this old British Seagull motor. I think it does run, but the whole crank's loose on it. She's pretty flogged out. I've got another one I can use this for parts, but I might pull it apart and use the shaft for an electric version. Oh yeah. Okay, I've got this motor here. I've already fried one of these controllers, but I've still got this one that works. I was thinking I could put this motor on here. This is supposedly 10 horsepower, but it can probably only do that for a few seconds or something. And I was thinking this setup would be alright to just navigate the channels, but with fighting the current, I don't think that this will have enough power to do it. I'll probably need a huge battery and maybe a bigger motor too. So we'll see how that goes. I've got some other things planned as well. I've got some solar panel stuff arriving. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.